What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're actually going to pick up some headers for my truck. My homeboy is going to get his truck tuned, so I'm gonna ride with him, pick him up at Velocity. So yeah, I'm trying to get my exhaust put in, so I'm gonna put my headers on first myself, see if I can. If I can't put it myself, I'm just gonna take it to somebody and let them do it. Guys, we actually just ate Tacos La Bala. Pretty good, so y'all go check it out here in Houston. But we're about to head home. I just picked up my headers from Velocity. Shout out to them. So I'll get back with y'all when I get home. Shout out to my boy Justin, helping me go get my headers. Pull them out a little bit. Let me show y'all. Let's check these out. Oh crap. Damn. Looks sick. So guys, we got back pretty early because we went to go get his truck tuned, but the guy wasn't there. He wasn't going to be there until next week on Wednesday. So then we went to Velocity. We got some headers. They're really nice. I'm going to try to put them on myself, see how it goes, but I think I can do it. Shouldn't be that hard. I don't think so though.
8:01 p.m.
I actually just came out here because, you know, it was hot, so I waited until the sun went down a little bit, and I just sprayed the bolts a little bit with this blaster, just faster. Yeah, I sprayed all the bolts down there. We're gonna take them off tomorrow. I was going to today, but I think it's still hot, so guess we'll have to do it tomorrow in the morning. Hopefully it's not too hot. Alright, so I just got done loosening up the bolts and they were actually really loose. Or this is actually really good. Either one. But you know, I'm all dirty and stuff. Tomorrow I'm gonna do it because it's already pretty late and it's gonna get dark on me pretty fast, so catch you on the morning. Alright guys, so I already got 4 bolts off, and as you can see it's pretty loose, but then there's just one bolt right here that's holding the header, so I'm about to take that bolt off, take it out, and then give you a comparison with the new ones. So I just got it out right here, and I had to take the oil dipstick out. It was really easy. Just a bolt, and then you had to pull it. But yeah, I'm about to pull the other one out. These are the stock ones. These are the new ones. They're actually 1 7/8 headers. Got it in. It was giving me a bit of trouble. It was a little hard to put it in there. You just really gotta maneuver it. But it's in there good. I did put the sensor in, but it wouldn't let me wouldn't go in there, so I had to take it off. Now I'm gonna do this other side. So there you have it, guys. I just finished up the truck. It took me a while. It took me like 2 to 3 hours because, you know, I'm doing it by myself and there's little space to work with. But I don't know if you can tell, but one of the wires is actually melting. Spark plug wire right there. Hopefully it doesn't keep burning up. I'm gonna buy the SD spark plug wires, so it'll look a lot better with them, and it gives it more power. So for now, these will do. That'll be all for today's video. So if y'all want to install your own headers, maybe this can help you a little bit. On my next video, I'll be getting MSD wires, spark plug wires, and I'll be going to get my exhaust done, maybe at Velocity or Aces. I haven't decided which one yet, but stay tuned for that one because it's coming soon. If you haven't watched my last video, go watch that one. Give it a like, subscribe, comment down below what mods y'all want me to add to my truck. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.